At the ECCB, our leadership ambition is to be ACE leaders. We want to lead with agility, clarity, energy, and empathy. That's the challenge. Everyone, myself included, that's the challenge for leadership in this bank. And I say to you this morning, chairs of board, members of board, CEOs, senior officials of our LFIs, I want to challenge you to also embrace that notion. Because in a period of rapid change, agility is absolutely important. Because as Warren Buffett once remarked, the ABCs of business decay are arrogance, bureaucracy, and complacency. Let me repeat that. The ABCs of business decay are arrogance, bureaucracy, and complacency. Let that never be our portion. So we need agility. And even in uncertainty, when we don't know exactly what will happen next as leaders, we have to provide clarity. Yes, even with uncertainty, our job is to provide clarity. What's our next step? We may not know the next 10, but what's our next step? And then the next, and then the next. And we must bring the energy. We can't transform this region without energy. At a personal level, but also in terms of real energy. This is why we're so big on the energy transition. And that's why I'm pleased to say en passant this morning that this conference, as we speak, is being powered by solar PV. You should give the central bank a round of applause for that. I had to solicit that one, but you see, we tend to get a little complacent and we take what we've done for granted. We've been celebrated for this investment all around the world. This is our God-given gift. It's hot. Are we going to curse the darkness? Light a candle. We've lit a candle with a solar PV investment and battery storage. And by the way, we save $1.8 million every year now as a result of that investment.